Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add real reviews to Weebly. First, log into your account. Once inside, click on this Edit Site button at the top right. Now, it's time to add your Google reviews. To do that, we will use a third-party website. So on another tab, go to Elf site and create or log in to your account. Now, on the upper ribbon, go to Widgets, and under Reviews, choose Google Reviews. Then, click on Create Widget for free. Now, you will customize your widget. Just go and select a template to your liking and continue with it. Here, you can add a business name or skip that, then proceed to add it to your website for free. Now that you have that, you can go and customize it, like changing the layout, the header, the look of the reviews, and also the styles. But once done, go and click on the Publish button at the top right. Now that you have published it, close the tab. Then it will now show you your widget. To add it to Weebly, click on the Install button. Here, copy your embed code. Once done, go back to Weebly. Go to the section where you want to add your Google reviews. Then, on the left panel, go and show all the elements and choose Embed Code from the options. Now, drag it in to your website. After that, click on the code block. Then here, select Edit Custom HTML. Now, paste in the code from Elf site and hit enter. So just wait for it to load. And as you can see, your Google reviews is now added to your Weebly website. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.